NFTs are transforming how society understands blockchain. We will demonstrate that NFTs allow a new and more accessible way for communities to interact and receive funding from their supporters through the power of EOS.IO blockchain technology. The pandemic has forced many NGOs to change how they communicate their cause and provide an experience for their communities. Our inspiration was a local animal rescue that needed to change the way they attracted volunteers and visitors. We're recreating from the physical to the virtual and gamifying the interaction between these organizations and their patrons. We're motivated by developing new technologies to solve real-world problems. Our heroes are those who, despite limited resources, day by day offer their creativity, talents, and uniqueness to impact the world. We chose NFTs as the tool to reach our goal. NFTs have garnered popularity lately, with even some great memes coming out that made us laugh as a team. But most of all, they shine a light on their potential to create impact. Blockchain is transforming the gaming industry. With some incredible initiatives, blockchain and NFTs are enabling users to have true ownership and influence their experience. In that sense, NFTs offer new monetization features that can help communities raise funds. As developers and innovators, there's no better time to turn new technologies into powerful tools to drive change.
That's why we built G-Goods, an NFT open source standard that provides the ability for communities to raise funds by tapping into the creativity and support of their donors. The G-Goods platform connects communities from all over the world with their supporters, providing more than just a donation receipt. Led by EOS Costa Rica, a group of developers in UX, marketing, business, we tapped into this technology to create a new way that communities can interact and receive support from their donors. Now, how does G-Goods work? Well, I'll guide you through a quick walkthrough of how we can do this from two different perspectives. One, as a non-profit organization user, and the other, a donor looking to support. Let's take a look. First, a user representing a community must create an account as an organization. The user can add several descriptions, such as objectives, brief history, and their impact on the organization's profile. Once they're ready, the user can create their first NFT using an easy-to-use avatar maker tool that represents their cause. These NFTs, known as G-Goods, will have a suggested price tag and describe what they're funding when acquired. Once they publish it on G-Goods, patrons will receive the NFT in exchange for their donation. On the other hand, donors can create an account, browse the NFTs in organizations they'd like to represent, and acquire an NFT to be then registered on the blockchain. Donors can collect their NFTs. These G-Goods belong to them, and they'll be able to trade and sell these NFTs just as they would any other scarce and unique digital asset. This presents a win-win situation for both fundraisers and donors, creating a new digital economy. Picture this: if the G-Good appreciates in the future, a percentage will go back to the community that created that NFT. Also, donors will hold their NFTs as in-game or in-app assets. The G-Goods platform offers a library of games and apps where donors can use their G-Goods, for example, to take AR-supported selfies, position them on a map, play checkers or other fun games. G-Goods can also allow interactions on other platforms, such as social media and messaging apps. We've created a functional prototype that allows users to validate the idea. Our next steps: invite these first users to create their NFTs and hopefully have our first organization raise funds on the platform. We're creating branded assets and communication channels like Twitch, Discord, and others to better reach our target audience. Help us make this project a reality, and let's start supporting our favorite causes and using NFTs for good.